12 o'clock noon, and that's as high as the sun gets. That tree just barely missed our generator shed. Just debris. Broken tops. Everywhere. This is our road. Just tree after tree like this. Behind me, same thing. Gotta try to get around it. Going in sled. There's another one. across the creek here. There's another one. It's work.
I'm making bread rolls for our Thanksgiving / Christmas dinner. I used a French bread recipe, so not really, so it's just white flour that I use. 2 tablespoons of yeast and water and sugar, and now I let it rise for about 20 minutes, and now I'm going to let them rise in small balls for another 20 minutes. So hopefully they'll come out great, because this is my first time doing it.
And she's fighting 3 little boys while she's doing it.
Love dough.
When I came in tonight, this is what greeted me. A nice, well done turkey. We never had our turkey for Thanksgiving or Christmas, so we're having New Year's turkey. Happy New Year's, everybody. Can you say Happy New Year's, Samuel?
Happy New Year's. Happy New Year, YouTube. Here's to another year of lots of fun videos. What you doing?
Making gravy.
Ooh. Did you make the gravy for our turkey?
Mm-hmm.
What all did you put in there?
Pepper.
Wait. You got a mouthful of turkey now. Just chew first then.
Oh, it's going to take a long time then.
Go slow.